Your water meter can confirm whether water is moving through your plumbing when everything should be off. But the test only works if you eliminate every normal source of water use first. Choose a time when nobody will need water for at least 2 hours. Turn off faucets and make sure toilets have finished filling. Pause the dishwasher, washing machine, irrigation system, water softener, humidifier, ice maker, and any automatic pool filling equipment. Find the meter and photograph its complete reading. Some meters have a small triangle, star, or digital flow symbol that responds to very low flow. Note its position, but do not rely on that indicator alone because meter designs vary. Use no water for at least 2 hours, then check the meter again. If the numbers or leak indicator changed, water passed through the meter during the test, which strongly suggests a leak or an overlooked automatic appliance. This is the basic meter test method recommended by EPA WaterSense. Before assuming a pipe is leaking, repeat the test after isolating common sources. Close toilet shutoff valves, disable irrigation, and temporarily stop other automatic equipment one system at a time. When the meter stops moving, you have narrowed down the responsible branch or fixture. If it still moves, close the home's main water shutoff valve. If the meter stops, the leak is probably within the house or its connected plumbing. If it continues, the leak may be in the buried service line between the meter and the shutoff, or the meter may require utility inspection. Never open a utility-owned meter or force a corroded valve. Contact the water provider if access or ownership is unclear. Take photographs of both readings and comment how much your meter changed during the test.